Hello everyone, I'm Cici from Jinan Huachen. Today I'd like to take you a tour of our sample room, where most of best-selling products are displayed. Here we can see our FC tipping hydraulic cylinder, park hydraulic cylinder, and the customizable double-acting hydraulic cylinder. Over on this side, we can see many kinds of hydraulic power unit. And follow me. In this side, we have a range of underbody telescopical hydraulic cylinder and front-mounted hydraulic cylinder. And as well as we can see many kinds of garbage truck hydraulic cylinder. If you are interested in our product, please contact me anytime.